Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for all the subscribers and thanks for everyone who watches my videos. Now today I'm going to make, you can call it a potluck or you can call it a sausage slow cooker casserole. So what I have is 2 packs of sausages. Now they were frozen and I've took them out of the freezer. And they were 80 cents each. And there's 8 in a packet. A turnip, 2 potatoes, 3 onions. I'm using 1 large red one and 2 small white ones. Celery, tomato passata, 5 garlic cloves, some thyme, some salt, some oregano, some pepper, and then I'm also using tomato paste. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my sausages in my air fryer. Now as you can see, I've diced my turnip and put that in the crock pot. Also a tip for you, while you dicing and adding things to your slow cooker crock pot, you can actually turn it on so that it'll be heating up as you're going along, so that you don't have to wait ages for it to heat up. The next thing I want you to do is cut a couple of celery sticks and then add that. As you can see, I've stirred all the ingredients in together and I added the 200 milliliters of water with a vegetable stock cube. You don't want too much liquid because you want that to cook down. So I'm going to leave that on for 3 or 4 hours and I'll bring it back when it's cooked. And there's my potluck stew ready to be eaten. And as you can see, there's still loads left. You can even make a pie out of it if you wanted to. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. Please subscribe. If you have a comment, please put it in the comment box. If you have a recipe you want me to try out, put that in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, goodbye.